Welcome to Programmer's Paradise, where innovation, collaboration, and coding excellence converge. As the premier coding club at UTD CSVTU, we are dedicated to foster a vibrant community of tech enthusiasts, developers, and problem solvers. Hi, I am Abhinav Shukla, the president of Programmer's Paradise. We believe in the power of code to transform ideas into reality. Our club is more than just a place to learn programming, it's a hub where students come together to explore the latest technologies, enhance their skills, and work on real life projects that make a difference. What we offer: workshops and training, competitive programming, MATLAB exploration, PR and outreach. We are excited to expand our horizons with the upcoming Web3 and Blockchain committee in partnership with Swapso and our future open source committee. But rather than just hearing from me, let's hear from the vice presidents who lead our committees and make all of this possible. Thank you.
Hi, I am Anushka Chatterjee and I am the Vice President of PR and Outreach at Programmer's Paradise. Our mission is to bridge the gap between students and industry experts by forming meaningful collaborations. We bring internship opportunities and placement opportunities directly to our members. We believe that learning experience should be accessible to everyone. That's why we provide various tutorial videos on technical subjects and enhance their capabilities. That's why we provide various tutorial videos on various technical subjects which are accessible to everyone. For more details about our social media, see the below description.
Hello everyone, I am Harsh Sharma, the coordinator of web team. As name depicts, our work is dealing with the website projects and other stuffs relating to it. Our main work is dealing with website project, as till now we make Programmer's Paradise, our club website, and university website also, that is UTD website. And we are excited to taking more projects, exciting projects, and connect with us with our social medias and with Programmer's Paradise YouTube channels. Thank you.
Hello, I am Sher Singh Thakur, the Vice President of Programming and Workshops Committee. We ensure that our members are equipped with essential skills for the ever-changing landscape of tech. We achieve the same by hosting various workshops and programming sessions, which may include Git and GitHub for version control, programming sessions for problem solving, or it may be delving into the world of computer vision. We ensure that our members are equipped with the skills for their respective domains. Our approach is holistic. We ensure that the members of all skill levels are provided with the knowledge and support they need to grow. We don't just teach concepts, we also provide real-life applications, preparing them to challenge the ever-changing landscape of tech.
Hello guys, I am Aing Shi. I am coordinator of Programming and Workshop Committee. I work closely with the team to design our workshop according to the industry standards and technology. I also may primarily focus on team togetherness and working togetherness. Rather than technical skills, we also focus on leaderships and not only individualism but working togetherness. Okay?
Hey everyone, I am S Kumar, the Vice President of Competitive Programming and Projects Department of the Programmer's Paradise Club. Today I am here to give you an overview of our department. As very evident from its name already, our department basically focuses on the programming, competitive programming part and projects also. The primary aim of our organization is to provide the students with an environment where they can interact with each other and learn coding in a fun manner rather than being in a strict environment where they are basically forced to learn the code. To promote healthy competition between club members and students, our department organizes weekly contests, team events, quizzes, etc. on a regular basis so as to help enhance their skill set and also encourage their team working capabilities.
Hello, I am J Kha Sharma, Vice President of the MATLAB Committee. We are, though newly established, we have achieved many milestones in the MATLAB software, and also we are looking forward to explore the vast potential of MATLAB. Also, we have hosted many student workshops. We have already hosted multiple student workshops to teach the students the vast potential of the MATLAB software, and also looking forward for something big. You are welcome in our MATLAB committee, and let's have fun together.
Hi, I am Rupal, the coordinator of the MATLAB committee. My role is to support the team in organizing activities, managing projects, and ensuring that all our members have all the resources they need to succeed. We work on variety of projects that not only enhance our understanding of MATLAB but also apply it to the real world problems.
Hello there, I am Reiner and let's talk about our future. I am very excited to share the future prospect of our club. We are very proud to announce that we are going to collaborate with SWAPSO to integrate chapter of blockchain and Web3. We are also very proud to announce that we are also going to start an open source committee. Let's talk about what the role of these committees are. Talking about Web3 and blockchain, we are going to integrate the technologies of what is being used in cryptocurrencies or decentralized data management. We are going to integrate the technologies with our current understanding and curriculum so that people are more understandable about the technologies of cryptocurrency and such. Now let's see about what open source committee will going to do. People nowadays are very much into building a good portfolio and committing very much into the requirements of the industries is going to help quite a lot. Now open source committee, let's see what we are going to do here. We are going to dive into the open source problems given to us, and hence we are going to help people building greater portfolio. So it's not only about personal development, but it's also going to develop for the development of the community.